There's a fundamental change occurring in the world of technology. A new type of computer that's arriving in the unusual form of a coffee table. This past March, Microsoft invited Popular Mechanics to the company's Redmond, Washington campus for a first look at a top-secret project codenamed Milan. It is the first of its kind in that it is a new paradigm in computing. It's called surface computing. This type of interface works especially well for photo sharing, maps, and menus, where browsing on a traditional screen pales in comparison to the detailed, hands-on manipulation people are used to with paper. You can do things like organize your photos, drag them around and resize them, and play with them as if they were real photos, real printed photos. And here we even have a little video. Surface computing utilizes multi-touch technology, which is a multi-finger, multi-user interface that has been bouncing around the world of computer science since the 1980s.
Multi-touch, first of all, allows for direct manipulation. It means you're actually contacting not through an intermediary, but actually on the graphics itself. It's a direct manipulation interface. Two, it means that I can do more than one point in time. I can actually use 2 or 3, which means I can manipulate more things at a time. With a mouse, you can only manipulate 1 or 2 things at a time.
But where Microsoft's Surface computer truly gets mind-blowing is how it interacts with other devices. The Surface computer uses a series of infrared cameras to literally see what is on its tabletop.
What we're able
OLED, or organic light emitting diode display. In such displays, the pixels emit their own light, and so an additional source isn't required as it is in a conventional LCD panel. That means the screens consume less power and can be made thinner. OLEDs also handle fast-moving images well and offer good color reproduction. Building the screen on flexible plastic instead of glass introduces some problems, such as keeping the various layers inside the screen aligned and working while the panel is flexed. Look closely and you'll see some glitches on this screen, but it's still a work.
This new user interface is accomplished entirely without the mouse or the keyboard. It's done through the position of the body and its movement. The images captured by the 3D camera extract body geometry in real time, the actual position of the arms and the legs and the hands, fingers, computer, in which the position of the body triggers movement. Leaning forward causes the avatar to move forward. Leaning back moves the avatar backward. To turn, lean to the side. The more you lean, the faster you turn. To stop, just stand up straight. Now, if you jump in place, the avatar jumps. People love to fly in Second Life, and we wanted to make this easy.
And I don't know the magic word, but I bet the red treasure chest knows.
Arr, mateys, I'm the pirate chest. I don't know the magic word. Go see the blue desk. Yeah, I'm the blue desk. What of it? I don't know about no magic word. Go talk to the green cabinet.
Why don't you try asking the yellow shell?
The LumaLive light-emitting textiles from Philips add a totally new dimension to fabric. With LumaLive technology, you can create fabrics that carry dynamic advertisements, graphics, and even constantly changing color surfaces. It creates an almost magical lighting experience without compromising the softness or flexibility of the cloth. LumaLive textiles feature flexible arrays of color light-emitting diodes, or so-called LEDs, fully integrated into the fabric. Although the technology has been developed only recently, Philips has made immense progress in fully integrating light-emitting textiles into garments. First-generation LumaLive fabrics are ready for commercialization by companies partnering with Philips, like those in the promotional industry looking for a new high-impact medium. Interested parties can use the technology to transform their event and enhance their visitors' experiences.
Okay, this is a demonstration of the EarthBridge software, which links together the standard GPS input and bridges it to Google Earth. It takes care of everything, and you can see it auto-rotates. You can set the angle, you can set the height. It's pretty darn cool.
Sir, Papa Booey!
I think it's so good. That's right, I'll edit that out inside.
And then, just like you would if you were getting a suit made, you made the first mock-up, you made the first forms and patterns, you sewed it up, you tried it out, made another one a little bit closer, and when you finally got the final one, zip, you put it on. It takes about 2 hours to put the skin on this car. Emotion is really the added value content that we can bring with Gina in. Gina should be about the human in the loop, the human way of doing things.